So this is our larger embryo. This is a 7-day embryo. The other was only a 3.5 day. So this embryo, you can see that very large dark circle, that's the eye only. So imagine the brain surrounding that and the rest of the body curling. I'm going to open this egg further so you can see more of the embryo. Got it. There's an entire chick embryo at 7 days. This is the eye. This is the top part of the brain. The heart is right in here, and the limbs are already visible right here and here. There's a wing and a leg. That is our 7-day chick embryo. There we go. That's the top of the brain, back of the brain. There's the front of the brain and the eyeball. And then down towards the bottom is the rest of the embryo out here. So now I'm going to remove the chorioallantoic membrane, which is the membrane that attaches the chick embryo to the egg. So I can pull on it here as if it's like a straitjacket that will come off the entire embryo. And I can wrap around from one end of the embryo to the other to remove that membrane. There we go. So now the embryo is completely available to anything that we would like to do to it to get molecules out of the brain or the spinal cord or the limbs or the heart, because I've removed this membrane from surrounding the embryo. There we go. There's our membrane. So I'll add this to our tube of paraformaldehyde. Picking up our, oh, sorry, little guy. Oh, I dropped him twice. There we go. Dropping in. And the embryos are now side by side. 3.5 day embryo, 7-day embryo, floating around in paraformaldehyde, which will fix all their tissues in place. Every cell, every molecule will be glued in place for us to analyze either by microscopy or by molecular analysis.